Okay, good afternoon everyone, and my name is Vince Clifford P. Rice, as you can see in my Google account, and I am here today to show you how to do the developing SQL database creating indexes. So introduction, the creating indexes module provides you with the instruction and advices to develop your hands-on skills in the following topics: creating index on table, working with key columns, and managing non-key columns. So let's start. So exercise 1, creating index on table. So task 1, work with non-clustered index. Step 1, ensure you're powered on the required device and connect to Plub SQL. So as you can see, we already have that power on. So step 2, from the Plub SQL desktop, click start and click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Let's click that. Then the connect to server dialog box appears. From the server type drop down, let's click database engine. Then in the server name text box, type Plub SQL Server 1. So as you can see, we already have that option, so let's just connect it. Then step 3, the SQL Server Management Studio window opens. In the Object Explorer, click to expand the database folder. Expand that. Step 4, to select the database from the list of database, click AdventureWorks DW2016 CTP3. Then to create a new query, from the query ribbon, click new query. So new query. Then a new query pane opens. Then type the following query in the query pane. Select from pack internet sales, then so execute or F5. Then as you can see, we have this message said invalid object name. It's because uh, our available database is on master, so we have to put that on AdventureWorks DW2016 CTP3. So we run that again. Then as you can see, this is the file that will show up. Then to check the query performance, from the query menu, click include actual option. So here you can pick the query, then click the include actual execution plan, or click Control M, then rerun. Step 9, rerun or press F5. Then as you can see here, we have a new tab called execution plan. Then step 10, to view the execution plan of the query, click execution plan. Then notice that the execution plan clustered index can cause on pack internet sale table in 100%. So we have that in 100%, so that's good. And step 11, to create a non-clustered index to reduce the cost and improve the query performance, from the query ribbon, click new query. Type the following query in the new query pane. So let's just copy paste that real quick. New query, then execute or F5. Then command completed successfully. Then step 12, to create a new query, from the query tab, click new query. Just create again, new one. Then copy paste again. Then to rerun the query, click execution. Oh wait, so to check the query performance, from the query menu, click include actual execution plan option. So you have to press the include actual execution plan first before you execute or F5 your new query. So execute, The query ran successfully and the result set displayed in the result pane along with the execution plan tab. So as you can see, we have the execution plan. Then step 13, to view the execution plan of the query, click execution plan tab from the result pane. The complete execution plan of the current query appears. Notice that the execution plan, the clustered index and cost into back internet sales table is reduced to 99%. So yes, we have the back internet sales and cost is 99%. So yeah, we're on the right track. So exercise 2, working with key columns. Task 1, use non-clustered index with key columns. So step 1, create a new query again. Query. Sorry if I don't know how to pronounce it. So copy paste. Then click the include actual plan option. Then run, execute or F5. So the query shows up successfully with the execution plan tab. Then notice that the execution plan, the clustered index can cost up on the pack internet sale table is 100%. So 100%, so we're still on the track. Then step 2, so click to expand AdventureWorks 2016 CTP3 in tables. Then pack internet sales. So here, pack internet sales. Then in the Object Explorer, right click indexes. From the context menu, click the new index, non-clustered index. So indexes, new index, then non-clustered index. So step 3, the new index dialog box is open. So the generated index name appears in the index name text box. Create a system generated name. Type a name in the inbox, type the index name text box. So let's just paste it and please bear with me. So 2016 1118, correct. Then 111 and 750, correct. Then key column, yeah, correct. Then to add step 4, to add the key columns in the index in the new index dialog box, click add. Then select from pack internet sales dialog box opened. So add. So then to step 5, to select key columns from pack internet sales table, click to select order date and due date key. Order date, then due date key, then click OK. Then step 6, to create a new index in the new index box dialog, click OK. Then step 7, the new query pane is open with the following query type in. So order date to 2010 and 1229. So we have that correct. Then 2011 and 0110, and we also have that correct. So yes, we're on the right track. Then rerun. Or press F5. Then step 6, to view the execution plan, click the execution plan tab. Then notice that the execution plan, the clustered index lookup cost is reduced to 80 while the non-clustered index is at 20. So we have this clustered 80. So correct, clustered 80, then non-clustered is 20%. So yeah, we're still good. Very good and so far. So exercise 3, managing non-key columns. Task 1, include non-key columns in non-clustered index. So step 1, let's create a new query. Query. Then copy paste. Then let's add in include actual execution plan option. Then execute or press F5. Okay, so result pane along with the execution plan tab. So step 2, view the execution plan tab, then notice that the execution plan tab, the clustered index and cost on the dim employee table is 100%. So dim employee 100%. So good. Step 3, create a new query again. And copy paste. Then to run the query, click execute or press F5. So command completed successfully. So step 4, to view the newly created index name, index the employee in the Object Explorer, click to expand Mature Works table, dim employee and index. So let's find dim employee and indexes. So the index the employee appears in the list. So there and index the employee. So get that right. Then step 5, we have to create a new query again and copy paste. Then before you execute, include actual execution plan, then press execution or F5. Okay, so notice that the execution plan, the key lookup for the clustered cost is reduced to 86. So our clustered is 86. Then our non-clustered index, the employee is 14%. Then yeah, we done it. And now close all active windows. So in summary, you cover the following activities in this module: creating index on table, working with key columns, and managing non-columns. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy. And I hope you also learned something today, and have nothing more to say, and goodbye. That's all. Thank you for watching.